If you have pending transfers on your Bank of America account, resolving them can be straightforward. Follow these steps to address any issues with your transfers. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Bank of America website or open the mobile app and log into your account using your credentials. This will give you access to your account details and pending transactions. Step 2. Check pending transfers. Navigate to the Transactions or Transfer section of your account. Look for any transfers listed as pending. Take note of the details, including the amount and the date of the transfer. Step 3. Review transfer details. Click on the pending transfer to view more information. Check for any errors, such as incorrect account numbers or insufficient funds, that may be causing the delay. Step 4. Contact customer service. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the SROC.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 5. Follow up. After resolving the issue, monitor your account to ensure the transfer is completed. If it does not process within the expected time frame, follow up with customer service again for further assistance. By following these steps, you can effectively resolve any pending transfers on your Bank of America account. If you have any further questions, don't hesitate to reach out to customer support for help.